The Sustainable Development Goals are 17 global goals designed to be a blueprint for achieving a better and more sustainable future. The goals to be achieved by 2030 is an urgent call by all countries and for all people in a global partnership. And sometimes when reading through the big goals, it's complicated to find your own contribution. Many different good initiatives exist where you can contribute, and there are even personal action lists like the Good Life goals where you can show up what can you do for the goals. And I asked myself, what is my contribution? And I have a passion for teaching, primarily with data literacy and data science. And my contribution is towards the goal number 4, ensure inclusive quality education and promote lifelong learning. And this lecture is about data literacy, data science, teaching data skills, analytics skills on Sustainable Development Goals data. And the lecture is for students or for customers who are beginners in data science and related fields. And it is derived from a university class. Thus, it is addressing students with an initial understanding of programming. And I would like to extend their skills. You should be interested in deriving systematically problem-solving techniques, and the class will be taught in Python, preliminary on Sustainable Development Goals datasets by visualizing, interpreting, and understanding the current status of the goals. I hope you enjoy the lecture and we'll see you in the next section.